All right, we have here an electric bike from QuiteKat to put together, and they sent me a couple of other items here. I know it's in the larger box, but I do not know what is in the other two boxes. Apparently this bike is more or less designed for more of the work environment, whether it be work in general or hunting or whatever like that. So I've got my sidekick Charlotte here. She's going to help me get this thing together quick. And then we're going to roll into doing what she's got going on here after we get this project done. You'll see that in a future video. So this model here is a Ranger. We'll go ahead and get it out of the box. We'll get it set up, get it put together, and then we'll go over the particulars on it, and we'll see what's in those other boxes there. So you guys know the drill. We'll just do a sped up version of getting the bike put together. I imagine it's pretty well cut and dry and whatever, but let's go ahead and just roll into a sped up version, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, or do we go really slow and show every nut and bolt going together? Yeah. No? No? All right. All right, so we've got this assembled. Very easy to do. It took longer to get all the stuff off of it than it did to put the pedals, the handlebars, and the front wheel on there. So this is the hunting version, the camouflage frame. One of them boxes had the battery in it. It's got an LED display, kind of like the other ones. Left-hand thumb throttle. And this is, of course, over here on this handlebars where you shift the bike. I don't know, what is this, a 9-speed or a 7? 1, 2, I think it's a 7-speed. So we'll go ahead and get these other boxes opened up. I imagine there's probably fenders. Oh, there's a basket. We got a basket in that one and a wagon in that other one. So we'll go ahead and get them opened up, get them assembled, and get this thing ready to run out the door here, right? Yeah. All righty. All right, so this is what this looks like all put together. They sent this single-wheeled cart, and that hooks onto the back of the pegs that stick off of the back side of the bike. You just pull these levers, unhook your safety pins, and it unhooks right from the bike like that. This cart comes furnished with these pegs that go on there. Lock that down into place, put your safety pins in. That goes there, like so. That'll keep it from unhooking. All right, so that is with the cart on there, and then they also sent this basket here with it, which that'll hold maybe, I don't know if we can get a 30 rack to fit in there or not, but when you go hunting, you want to be able to take refreshments along with you. And I don't know, it'd be a pretty small game to put in that cart there. This little cart has a kickstand on it so that I think that's meant for maybe when you unhook the cart, it'll kind of stationarily sit right there, or while you're loading in your items, you can get that loaded with a kickstand on there, and then you would just pull forward, kick this up in the air, get on and go. So we'll go ahead and run this around the driveway a little bit. We'll see how it works, right?
Yeah.
The only problem with this one I can see right now is I'm not going to be able to do a wheelie on it. I don't think. Maybe it'll work. Oh yeah, that'll work.
No, maybe let's not try.
You can do wheelies on this. No problem. Right?
Yeah. Only problem is you're gonna tip your beer out.
Yeah. All right, come here for a second. All right, we've got the display on, and then this is just like all of the other ones. It has 5 different. We got trail and boost, trail, eco. Now there's 5 settings, I thought. And this has got a boost function, a trail function, and eco. Regular bike. So, yeah. All right, it says class 2 here. So let's go ahead and run it around, I guess.
Oh, crap. Oh, okay.
Alright, so maybe we need to put some items in the cart and see how it does. I don't know, it looks kind of goofy going down the road, doesn't it?
Just a tad.
Just a tad?
Just a tad.
I mean, we gotta have something thrown in there, so... Yeah, why don't we throw some items in there? Alright, we threw some items in this cart. We're gonna see how it maneuvers around the dooryard here. What we've got in here is a toolbox, a bottle jack, an impact, and a grease gun. It's almost like we're going to change a tire or something, or work on something. So there's probably a big 100 pounds in there. Toolbox is full, bottle jack, yeah. So we'll go ahead and run this around the driveway here, and we'll see how we make out. Hopefully we don't crash, because I don't feel like picking all them tools up. Okay, so we'll see how we can balance this guy. I'll probably tip it over. That's a little to balance, but it's not bad.
Uh-oh.
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 Yeah, you definitely know it's back there. That toolbox slid to the one side. It's not balanced. So here, hold on to this bike and I'll pull it out of there. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, it didn't handle too bad. However, once the toolbox slid over to the side, it kind of wanted to tip things a little bit because that toolbox is pretty heavy. So we'll go ahead and lift this guy out of there. That'll kind of square things up a little bit here. And yeah. All right, so I think that toolbox and bottle jack was a little excessive as far as weight goes, but it'll give you an idea that it will handle it. Generally, anything anybody's gonna have in there is not gonna weigh what that stuff weighed, and they would have stuff that would be a little more evenly distributed. Maybe they'd put their kid in the back in a little car seat or something like that. That would be nice and light. So that is gonna do it, folks. That'll give you an idea of the QuiteKat Ranger, along with the cart that they have sent along as well. So that is gonna do it for this video. I wanna thank everybody for watching, and we will catch you at the next one.